Big Zeph, Big Zeph, Big Zeph, Big Zeph. First of all, rest in peace, Virgil and don't spill no drink on my clothes when I'm Louis V dripping. Don't like stress at my dome, straight to the head when I'm 1942 sipping. Been wavy since morning, not they talk to me in public. It's my drink with a little money, smoke my weed with the claro. Lamborghini driver, Ferrari 458 Italia.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nadale, and today we will be cooking something up in the kitchen. I have been taking a self-care approach to my channel, and this video is all about making something that makes you feel so good after you eat it. So we'll be making some ribs. I have already cleaned the ribs. I washed it with lime and water, and then I also removed the membrane, and now I'm just seasoning it up. I really want y'all to catch a vibe for this video, okay? So I won't be talking too much.
I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my eyes. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Crazy no one, you're lying. I've been wondering all day.
So you'll probably see me use a lot of the same seasonings, which are adobo, Tony's, onion powder, garlic powder, Italian seasoning. So I'll be using that throughout this video. Son has definitely showed interest in cooking. Every time I'm in the kitchen, he always comes with his little stool and be like, "Mommy, can I help?" So you might see his little hands popping in every now and then, but I am so grateful for this bonding opportunity between the two of us. So we really just get to like vibe out and share this experience together. He gets to learn how to cook and I get to build memories with him. So I just really love that he is so interested in learning how to cook.
Running to the other side when it's time to leave my life. Then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Try it. I really need time now. I need a free mind now. I really need my mind. I need to free my mind now. I really need time now. I really need a free mind now. I really need mine now.
Now here's my little secret. I tightly wrap the ribs up in parchment paper and then tightly wrap it up in foil, and this just helps the meat to be so tender. Then I'm going to put it in the oven at 375 for about 2 to 2.5 hours. Check to see if it's tender around the 2-hour mark.
Finding a way when you cannot see. Mind with this system you cannot break. I need to find belief. Behind my mind it runs. All these thoughts I've double. Fighting to give up my baby. Fighting to be on.
Now we're going to make my fan favorite twice baked potatoes. So clean the skin of the potato really well, especially if people are going to be eating the skin.
My mind running to the other side when it's time to leave my life. Then it tries
If there's another universe, please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life.
Now I would suggest using a fork to poke some holes into the potatoes, especially if they are bigger potatoes, to help them cook a little bit better. But I was feeling really lazy on this night, so I just put some vegetable oil and salt on it and wrapped it up real tight in this foil.
Got to be more sick of the side of mind. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze. Nirvana is not, it's advertised. There's got to be more. Been here before.
Now I'm just going to place this in the oven for about an hour at 375 degrees.
It's all for the taking. I always say I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of
Now I know y'all see how soft and tender this meat is, and I think this was after 2 hours, I would say, that I checked on it, and I decided to go ahead and put the barbecue sauce on there. But yo, I was ready to eat.
we want. The good, the young, and poor. I gave it all I could. Stuck in this terror dome. All I see is terrible. Making us hysterical. It's got to be more, got to be more. Sick of this head of mine. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze. The fun is not his appetite. It's got to be more than here before.
Y'all see how that meat was just falling off that bone? Now this is my favorite part, okay? You get to slather the barbecue sauce all over the ribs to add some extra flavor. And y'all just look at this.
For the taking, I always say I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. I'll be.
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just miss me with the drama, unless you come in with the comments. Or DJ turn the sound up, cause we about to pour the rounds up. Jump, 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 jump. Oh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Jump, 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 pick it up, up.
Now remember when I said I usually poke holes in the potatoes? Yeah, now I see why I should have done it again, because the bigger potatoes, they were not cooked as softly as the smaller ones. You see how it's easy to remove the inside on the smaller ones, but it was harder to do it for the others. So I put those bigger ones back in the oven for about, I can't remember how long, maybe like 20 extra minutes. And then I came back and scraped it out to make a little boat.
Jump, 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 jump. You know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Jump, 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 pick it up, stop. You know I love to make it.
Only gotta make a call and I'm here.
I'm not going home. Tell my mama won't wait up for me. I won't check my phone. There's no need. I just wish we could press rewind. So let's take it back in time. Body like it's 95. I just wanna dance tonight. Yeah, you know that I like it like that. Let's take it back in time. When the bodies were like 95. I just wanna dance tonight. Yeah, tell them turn the lights out. Let the party go all night long. We can go on.
So off camera, I washed the shrimp with water and lime, and I did all of this in the packaging that it came with because I didn't want to dirty more dishes. But I just added all my seasonings and let that cook for like 5 to 7 minutes.
That I like it like that. Let's take it back in time. When the bodies were like 95. I just wanna dance tonight. Yeah, tell them turn the lights out. Let the party go.
I'm also adding some water to it so that it can make a nice sauce, and all of this is going to go into the potatoes and flavor it and make it taste so like seafoody and really seasoned and nice.
All night long. We can go on. Let's make the party go all night long. We can go on. I'm not going home, 'cause I swear the DJ's playing all of these songs for me. You gotta drag me off the floor. 'Cause that's the only way you'll get me through
was topping it off with some cheese and some bacon bits and some sides. Baby, this was so good. I didn't even have time recording myself eating it because let me tell you, my son loved this so much. And you know, toddlers, I had to please. I added some seasoned rice that I had on the fridge with this, and it was 10 on 10. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.